Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way.
Look at that, how artistic is that? Steven Spielberg, fucking eat your balls off. So the engine is now back in the car with our clearances and our painting, and there is an FN2 4:2:1 manifold, and it clears everything. I mean, the closest thing to it is this fuel pipe here. It runs down there, but what we're going to do is we're going to take this bracket off, flip it round and drag the fuel pipe further. That way we should clear it then, because those two are brake lines next to it, and this one here is the evap, which usually goes to a canister there that I've removed, so I don't need that anyway. Yeah, so we'll move that fuel pipe across the original Jazz fuel pipeline. There's some BHP coming in. Where is it? Here it is. This one here. This will fit straight on there to there, so that's good. And then we're going to have a quick look at the wiring. Plug all the harness in, minus a coil pack because someone's borrowed it for their CRV. And then we'll see if we can get the wiring all connected. And we also need to put the alternator belt on, which hopefully we've got enough space to clear it past. Should have. And run that to the idler pulley at the top, which also should have enough space, because if you look there, there's just, I mean, I'm saying just, I think there's enough space. If not, we can tweak that pipe a little bit and run it that way. There you go. Oh, I need to tighten that nut as well. But there you go, engine back in, hopefully for the last time. The exhaust doesn't look too bad to do underneath either. But everything's mounted. And all its mount. Winner. Right, so we've got the bright green clutch line fitted. We've fitted the loom, which you can't see, which is down there. The loom's fitted and it's into the car, but we haven't wired it up in the car yet. That's one thing left to do. What else have we done? So all the engine mounts are all bolted, everything's bolted in. We've put the alternator belt back on as well.
That was fun.
Yeah, that wasn't fun. That's really not fun. I don't even think it would matter if the engine was out the car. It was still a nightmare. And we've put the water pipes on there. We're using, I think these are Civic water pipes. One might be off an FN2 and I'm pretty sure one of them's from an EP3. They fitted no problem. And as I said before, we managed to get the FN2 4:2:1 to fit. If you can see down there, there's loads of clearance, and it doesn't even catch anti-roll bar, doesn't catch anywhere. The one thing that we're a bit confused about is it's got this random plug here with two colours on. I can't remember what that's for. I'll have to try and find out what that's for. And another thing that we've done, which I can't actually show you as well, sorry, because I've put the bumper on like a Burke, but basically the headlamp loom here, it normally runs under there. It's very close, and it would sort of get in the way there with the belt. So what we've done is we've bent a little bit of the metal up there, and we've run the wiring loom through there. Actually, 2 seconds, I can show you. No, I can't. Never mind. Pop that side off. It's there, so you can see it down there. We've just bent that little bit of panel there, just so the loom fits past it neatly, and then that will run underneath. Bloody headlights, eh? There you go. So all that's left to do actually to make it run is to wire the ECU up and run 2 radiator pipes. Of course we haven't got the gear cable sorted yet, that's something else to do at a later date, but to get it running, do the wiring and
drive shafts.
Oh yeah, drive shafts. Yeah, drive shafts as well, but it's not far away at all. And it looks almost factory. Let's shut this bonnet. Boom. You'd never know, like, I mean, you had that and I'll go and open it and do a thumbs up. So, until next time. Next time, wiring, and I'll probably do the drive shafts tomorrow, and I'll look at the radiator, see if I can zip tie it up for now, just to put the pipes on, so that we can at least try and run it some watering.
Drive shafts are fairly straightforward.
Yeah, I've got drive shafts, EP3 ones. We're going to try and swap the split shaft one side to the other. It's supposed to make it better for clearance, because I think they're about an inch out otherwise, and it ties up on the CVs. So we'll try that. That should work. Virtually done, eh? Can you swap the world?